Mr. Hiccups is my name.
Richard Flores has an infectious joy about him, which makes it easy to miss the constant hiccups. He's become a master at masking them.
As I have the hiccups, I breathe with them, so it doesn't make that sound like the hiccup.
Behind that smile, he's quietly suffering from chest pains, shortness of breath, and sudden episodes like this.
What do you do? What was that?
I excuse myself. There's no other reason. My air. I struggle with it. It starts going into that.
You just lost air.
Yeah, I'm still trying to get it back right now.
Other times, it's more severe.
My breath, I lose it for a minute to a minute and a half. And when it gets to a minute and a half, you start seeing the stars. I can't keep going through this. This is killing me.
He's gone to doctors. So far, no luck.
First, they thought it was tied to acid reflux, which I have severe acid reflux. They've done 3 endoscopies, 3 colonoscopies. I've had MRIs, CAT scans, x-rays.
A 4.6 centimeter cyst was found.
Just roughly the size of a golf ball. That's in my head, and it's considered an arachnoid cyst. I believe that it may be causing the problem, pushing on part of the brain that's causing my hiccups.
However, doctors disagree. To help him find relief and sleep, he's prescribed painkillers, along with another drug that helps, at least a little.
And my doctor prescribed me chloroprozamine.
But now he's at a loss.
I am concerned that it's a possibility this could develop into something else.
A friend just like him over in England encouraged him to share his story to find others with his same condition here in Oklahoma.
Somebody might say, hey, I'm going through that. I'm seeing a doctor for this.
Because Flores has a lot to live for, like his family and grandchildren he wants to watch grow up.
This is an experience that I am going to get over.
In Yukon, Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.